wasn't going to record, but I have a lot of editing to do, so might as well add this to the list. Here I am in Knob Noster, Missouri, a little ways from home. Look at those bikes. Nice. I'd already ran through the Knob Noster State Park once. I'm going to see if I can do it again before it gets too dark. Apparently they're doing a lot of construction. It's a nice park and they're making it better, so I'm happy about that. Nice Focus ST there. Like, my Focus ST is all gray, which is okay. I've gotten used to color. It's not great. I wouldn't mind that car being bright color, because that car was red with a black hood, and I know a lot of people don't like the black hood, but I do. My car would have a, oh, that bump. My car would already have a carbon fiber hood if it was yellow or red or even white, probably. Oh man, I'm glad I don't have a white car. I mean, one of my cars is white, and my truck's white, but I do not like white vehicles. White and silver are my least favorite. But if I had like a nice blue or a nice yellow, I would definitely have the hood black, because that was one of my favorite looking cars back in the day. Was an SRT4 with a good set of wheels on it, not blacked out though, just, even stock ones are nice, but with a different wing in the back, one of the ricer wings, not too large though, and a carbon fiber hood, lowered a little bit. Man, that car looks so mean. That's what I really hope to have one day. That's why if I ever get an SRT4, I really hope it's yellow. So this part they've not done too much to yet. I want to see down here, they used to have kayak rentals, and I haven't done that yet, but I would really love to. So this is a nice area. Lake Buteo Shelter. You can actually walk all the way around this lake. Some parts are kind of sketchy, but you walk down there and go around the lake. You can see the trail back there a little bit. Just down the hill there you can see, I believe those are bathrooms actually, but this is a really nice spot. They got some walking trails down to it. They got some trails that connect with the lake over there. I love the stone outline. Everything's outlined in stone. It looks so good. Spent a lot of time at that playground. My daughter loves that one. And I believe over there is where I saw the pictures on Facebook of them making new campgrounds. There's only 2 people over there. I'm gonna do a loop here. That's a new campground, it looks like. All that new concrete there and the new concrete there. I've never actually been beyond that point. I think you have to pay to go over there. And I believe that's where they said all the new stuff was. I don't have anything to go camping with. No camping gear, no tent, nothing. I would love to go moto camping sometime. This is only 40 minutes, maybe an hour away from my house. Be good to try here first. All I have is a backpack and my tank bag though. I would need to buy more stuff for carry and everything. Eat a protein bar for dinner and call it good. This here's the road that usually has quite a bit of deer on it. I hope I see deer. Saw deer the other day. Man, it's not warm enough for turtles either. Usually you'd see a turtle or two that can stop and help across the road. I mean, they don't need the help, but I like to help them anyways. I mean, right now, all I really see is squirrels on the road. Is that a squirrel or is that just debris? That's a squirrel. Hey, squirrel. Hey, come here. I want to be friends. I can play too. They never would. Squirrel, want to be friends? Want to be friends? Hey, let's be friends. I see your tail. You're not hiding from me. Come on. Oh, there you... Fine, I don't want to play with you anyway. You're not a very nice squirrel. I'll go find a better squirrel. Sunset's supposed to be here soon. This is a really nice part of the park. I'm gonna go straight first. I remember when that used to be a triangle. You used to be able to go over there. I don't know why they shut it off. I guess it's less they have to maintain. This part of the woods here is awesome. I love when there's just bare trees and all the greenies are up top. There's a lot of times I forget this is here. I'm not sure I even came here last year. Because when I got this bike, I was just like, I want to go as far away as possible. I want to go to another state. I want to go to the ocean. I want to go far away. I believe that's a trail right there. Squirrel! No parking on grass. The other problem is all these trails. Ooh, does that go straight down to the... Oh, not really. There's a little bit of water down there. I could get lost here. Start on a trail, and when you see a way, just veer off the trail and just go have fun. See what you can see. First time I came through, I stopped and got a picture of my bike. I'll pop that up on screen. Here it is. Are you done looking at it? Are you done? Good. Let's go over this way and see what's over here. Let's try not to dump my bike on the gravel. So this one here looks like it has quite a bit of construction. I don't know if they're making more campgrounds or what, but they've cleared this a little bit. Ooh, is that going to be another road, or is that just going to... Ooh, it goes pretty far. What if that's going to be another area, or if that's going to connect to another one of the roads? Is that a bathroom? Or is that a bathroom? It's got two bathrooms? Must be a lot of poop in here. Okay, so it looks like there's a trail down there. Oh, there's a trail that starts right here. Area closes at sunset. Yeah, it's getting... Oh, somebody dumped ice. Warning, ice not checked for thickness. Okay. So, there's a trail down there. Let's go look what's over here. I don't think I've explored this lake quite a bit. This used to be all filled in with more trees. It looks like they've cleared quite a bit so you can see the lake from up here. And that looks like an island out there. That's cool. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Knob Noster State Park. So that concludes this video. I hope you liked it. Hope to see you in future videos. Bye!